So we're here, we're waiting for, what do we do, Harlan?
We just cut a gasket in half.
And we filled RTV everywhere because I'll pop up a video. It was just leaking a little bit because it was binding really bad. So we just trimmed it and filled it with RTV. And then the UPS guy said, "Hey, here's a surprise for you." So we're gonna unbox this and also install it, but we're waiting for our RTV to cure.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so we got our cold air intake from this R-Tunes Racing. Wasn't too bad, like an entry-level economic brand. It's a 3-piece set, so it comes with the tubes. Then we have all the couplers. Then here's the air box. Oh, Troy wants to hold it.
You know I got you, bro.
There it is. It's probably, since it comes included with it, it's not going to be the best quality, so I guess I do get the money to upgrade it like a K10 or something. But until then, it's fine. I already have the hydro shield waiting for me inside. So yeah, let's get this installed. All right, so to get your OEM filter off, you're going to disconnect, I think this is the MAF on the throttle body, and then you're just going to take this wire out, take this breather hose out, just rip it out like that. And then just twist this clamp lefty-loosey. She should be able to slide off the throttle body. And then we're just gonna take, I think down here there's some 10s. So we're gonna use an extension to get these all off. No, just take it off from the, because you're only taking off the box.
Oh.
To take off the whole thing, you gotta go down there.
Oh, damn. What's that? Like
a 10. Could you just give me the, oh, I already have the extension.
Like that.
So yeah. So we got the old intake box off. There's just gonna be 1, 2, 3 10s on there. And then here is the thing. I think I don't know. Does it go to the resonator? But it's behind this lip liner. So we're gonna have to take all these clips off. All right, sorry, don't bear the wind, but after you get like what seems like 13 clips off and you don't break any of them, there's gonna be a 10 up here and a 10 all the way back here where my hand is. And we're just not getting that off and it's slumped over. And then there's one clip next to this 10 that I'm about to pull out. It should just, yeah, it fell out right there. So, I don't wanna, how's that gonna work? Oh no. Every shot I've gotten is of you working on my own car. But I swear it's not like that. We had to go to the AutoZone aid to get a coupler since the other one didn't work. We're gonna have to trim this piece, but we're just getting it all mocked up. And then this part, this bracket goes into the cold air, and I'm like, what are we gonna do? But we realized that, hey, there's a bracket on the floor. Wait, what are you doing?
Tightening down more.
Oh, okay.
Phillips.
This goes around this to just hold it in, so it doesn't shake and all that. So the engine bay looks just a lot cleaner already. I'm gonna try to sandblast this.
You try to finger blast it.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna finger blast it.
Stop!
Stop
Alrighty, well now we are all good to put the filter. Where is it? There we go. But we're gonna have to put a shield on it, that way if you run in through water, we're gonna have to put a hydro shield on it. Shut the hell up! That we don't lock your car sucking in water. I don't know how well these work, but we're gonna try it out. Alright guys, so we got it. It looks sweet. Hey, early Diddy. Alright, so we got it. Looks like a race car. Come check the filter out. You're gonna have to get real low. Let's see right here. Oh, there you go. And we're gonna right here. Should we take her off the lid?
Nah, fuck it.
You think I could get in it with it on there? On a
Yeah,
scissor
go for
jack?
it. Here, we'll lower it down a little bit.
Using the OEM scissor jack as a lid.
Best thing to do is just kick it out. That's definitely louder. Yeah.
I don't like you, I just wanna fucking do what I want to. I just fall every day because I want to. Yeah, I do not give a fuck, bro, fuck you.